Hi everyone! Today we're going to be reading The Yearbook
by Al Perkins, illustrated by Henry Payne. Front, back, spine. Let's begin.
Tick tock, tick tock. Ears. Our ears, they hear a clock. Our ears hear water. Drop, drop, drop. Hey, what's that?
Oh, that's a shower head. That's where the water comes out when we take a shower.
Oh, good to know. Our ears hear popcorn. Pop, pop, pop. Ears, 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 ears. It's good to hear with ears. Guys, let's count how many birds are on this page together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. That's a lot of birds. Toot, toot, toot. We hear a flute. We hear a ding.
We hear a dong.
We hear a ping.
We hear a pong.
We hear my sister sing a song.
La 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 la.
We also hear my father snore. We hear my sister slam the door. Boom, 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 dum, dum, dum. It's good to hear a drummer drum. And sister blowing bubblegum. Blow and blow and blow and pop, where'd the bubblegum go? We hear hands clap and fingers snap. We hear feet tap, 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 tap. We hear a plane. We hear a train. It's good to hear the rain. Ears, ears, ears. We like our ears. It's very good to hear with ears. The end. All right, everyone, what did this book teach us today? It taught us that we have a very important part of our body called our ears, and we use them to hear many different sounds. Thank you so much for joining us today. And if you'd like to be a part of our family, please subscribe below. High five.